Uh-huh. So, you guys know what's happening now. What up, people? So, I came to work and two new baggages got in, and I'm so excited to open it up because you know how much of a gaming fan I am. And what is the most important thing to a gaming fan is batteries. Yeah, so batteries are really important. But I didn't get myself batteries. I did get myself cords though. Cords, really cheap ones, really inexpensive ones from Shopee. And they just got in, and I got them really, really inexpensive. I got the first one. Let me open this up. The first one are like short cords. This is supposed to be really short. I got them for nine pesos each. See, as you can see, 36 pesos for 4 pieces. 36 pesos for 4 pieces. Let me open them up. So here we go. We have a 25 centimeter USB cable for iPhone Type C order. Okay, here we go. Let's open it up. Ooh, there it is. Hey. So I got myself iPhone cords because I only have iPhone. And yeah, so here it is. They're all the same color. Are you kidding me? Oh, I like the color though. It fits the color of the back of my phone. Rose gold. Gold, gold, gold. Okay, here we go. So we're going to test it. I'm going to test it using a power bank. So this power bank's working. All right, here we go. We're going to see if each and every cord works. Let's try the first one. Okay, it fits. And I hope it doesn't break anything. Click. It's charging. It's charging. Oh my God, there's like a message. Oh, there's a Gmail message. So there you go. That first cord is down. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, it's hard to remove. Next one. Next cord. Okay, here we go. Yeah, my wallpaper is like a writing. It's like a quote from Instagram. I kind of stole it from Instagram. Here we go. Here's the next one. Let's lock it. Lock. And let's see. It's working. 9 pesos? Pretty good. Go to the next one. Oh, idiot. Let's go to the next one. Is it working? I hope it works. Come on, baby. It also works. 9, 18, 27 pesos. Totally worth it. Well, I bought the short ones because I need them for like my bag. My bag's like really small right now. And when it's too long, the cord kind of, gets like bent and stuff. So yeah. And plus, one thing I like about this is that it's braided. I don't know if it's what you call. It's braided. So yeah, it's really hard to break. There you go. You can see it. So yeah, it's like yeah. So last one, we have this one. Hope it works. Everything's working. Thank you very much, Shopee, for these cords. Awesome cords. So I have 4 new cords now. So this is from it doesn't say. It's another overseas thing. So yeah, sorry guys, I can't really mention you guys because your name's not here. So is it here? No, it's not. So thank you very much. I have this one. So I have this other one. It's worth 36 pesos. It's worth 36 pesos. I really like this word. I really love this word. Free. I love free. But this is for 36 pesos. And it's supposed to be another cord. So we're going to open it up. We're going to go. Okay. It's bubble wrapped. That's good. I like bubble wrapped. I need to totally spend money on, on wrapping these up. Okay. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. This is from a shop named. I have no idea. It also doesn't say. So okay. Fulfilled by Shopee. Nope, nothing. So yeah. No name. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna call out the brand, I guess. Okay. So you guys can just fast forward to where I'm, I already opened it. But yeah, there you go. It's a Chroma XS008 i5 iOS bracket data. So as you can see, there we go. So it's iOS, and this is 36 bucks. We're gonna see. So I've always wanted, you know how much hassle this thing is when you're playing? When you're playing and you gotta do this. Yeah, this thing sucks. So what I did is I went online and I checked out, and I saw this. I actually saw this, and it's supposed to like help you with your gaming. And let's do it. It's okay. Oh wow, this cool. Look, the cord's like leather. Is it leather? I don't know. It feels leather. Wow, this is 36. I hope it works though. Wow. I don't know what color I ordered, but okay. Wow, this is really nice. It's also long. I think it's a meter long. Oh, it's 1200 millimeters. So there you go. Wow, it's pretty awesome. I like how it's, tangle free. So here we go. The important part is the charging. Ooh. Okay, here we go. And try that. What the? Oh my God, it works. Oh, it's supposed to be the other way around. So, is it going to be easier for me to play? I guess. Wow, yeah, it is. Yep. Totally is. Yeah, totally. But it's just for playing, though. It just feels weird when it's on the table. See? This thing is sticking out unless you, put it the other way around. I guess. Is it also charging? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's charging. Well, yeah. So, 36 pesos for gamers. Not bad. It's also good for, when you're watching and stuff. Yeah. When you're watching. Yeah, so pretty good. 36 pesos plus it's leather. It feels, no wait, it's not leather. Sorry guys, it's like rubberized thing. I think it's rubberized. Yeah, this one is like braided, and this one, you can tell the difference. Right? There you go. All right. So I can't really take back what I said because this is raw. This is raw review, and I don't edit. So unless the day comes I learn how to edit things, then I can edit stuff. But right now I can't take it back. But this is rubberized. Yeah, it's pretty much rubberized. It has a leather feel to it. So yeah, 36 pesos for this. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, Shopee, for safe delivery. Thank you very much for these wonderful stuff. So, if you guys want to see something from the internet, you guys want me to test something from the internet, you want me to buy something, just something I can wear, okay? Something I can use. No ladies' clothes, no earrings. I don't have holes in my ears. So yeah. Yeah, let me know and I will make a review on it. I will let you guys know what I think. But so far, we're like 100% on everything I've bought. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching. Peace out. Stay tuned for the next shipping. Boom.